deficit with China is about $1 trillion. Think of it, $1 trillion. They're using our money to build their military.
Tensions between Hong Kong and the United States are escalating once again. Hong Kong is furious after being hit with Trump's latest tariffs, just like the rest of China. Officials are now gearing up for a global trade battle, taking their cases to the World Trade Organization. Under Trump's trade policies, Hong Kong is now subject to a 10% tariff on its exports to the US. A move that local leaders say completely disregards Hong Kong's status as a separate customs territory. Chief Secretary Eric Chan has blasted the decision, calling it absolutely inconsistent with WTO rules. But here's where it gets even more chaotic. The US Postal Service briefly suspended all inbound mail and packages from China and Hong Kong, sparking confusion and frustration among retailers. The ban was reversed shortly afterward, but the damage was already done. With businesses scrambling to understand the new tariffs and restrictions, Hong Kong officials are calling the US policies mercurial and unpredictable. The move to strip Hong Kong of its special trade status began in 2020, when Beijing imposed a sweeping national security law on the city. In response, the US revoked Hong Kong's preferential trade treatment, forcing goods made in Hong Kong to be labeled as made in China. This destroyed one of Hong Kong's biggest advantages as a global trading hub. Now, with new tariffs in place, Hong Kong is being treated no differently than mainland China. But there's another side to this story.
The deficit with China is about $1 trillion. Think of it, $1 trillion. They're using our money to build their military. And Biden let that happen.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.